doing gardening for the last few days. Oh my God.
This thing here was screwed on under the dash, and buddy told me you need that to have it run, so there's that.
So what do you do? Just around?
Pretty much. This potential of eating for the rest of the day. That'd be handy, eh? We'll be able to eat for another day or two. Just putting the kilometers on the 83 Relentless, boys. Oh my God. I love this truck. I don't know why I didn't listen to you guys earlier and put the fenders and the dash pack together a long time ago. Eh? I apologize. There's right up. The shop across the road. Painted her up, got her all lickety mixed blickins. Nice. Oh, you guys want to change the oil with me? Want to change the oil? Should have recorded that. Freaking shut the camera off and make a big mess. But the friggin' dipstips is friggin' magnetic, so it just stuck on there. Otherwise, it would just blew out of my hand. I don't know what the f***'s going on, but it should come out of there like 3 biscuits. I'll just clean this filter off here and hopefully be the wiser. backup over here.
At the stop sign, turn right onto County Road 55.
Okay.
Here we fucking go, boys. Made it. Let's check out the state of her, boys. Was just daily driving it up until a couple days ago. Hey? What happened?
So
Let's get
last
the inside
Thursday,
scoop.
transmission fell out.
Why? Leadfoot Larry?
This is a piece of shit.
Hot Rod Harry?
The front carrier's gone. It's got no body mounts. The transmission's gone.
What are you even talking about? Did
Door
you see my
doesn't
Dodge?
shut.
Just weld a couple pieces of metal on there. She's fixed.
Yeah. But what
Do
about
like the
front
Chevy,
carrier
just-
that doesn't do four-wheel drive stuff. What about that thing? You
Let's
need
get a
that.
new one. Look at the subwoofer, boys.
Yeah, but it also needs a fucking transmission now.
No.
Yeah, that doesn't work.
Oh, I could have sold that. For sakes. Hurt on the equipment, boys. Not cool. Drive all the way to fucking Milverpini to get this thing. Who does that? Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, talk to you later.
Right on, man. Much obliged. Oh, we did it, boys. It's really hard to get my truck in reverse, boys. Need to find a 4x4 NV5600 here soon. Try a rebuilt on that.